You can drive out to some of the power plants that exist on the rivers out here. You can tell that these are not places that you want to live. There's definitely lots of toxic fumes being released into the air. Definitely not a healthy place to raise a family. My grandfather immigrated here to Connecticut originally in the late 20s as a young boy. As an 11-year-old, him and his father rode around on horseback, bringing coal from New York City to the suburbs of Connecticut. They then got into the oil and heating business, and we still are in that business today, but I felt like I needed to take it one step further. Whereas my grandfather took advantage of coal, I'm out here in Illinois providing people with clean energy.
Yeah, thank you.
My name is Vincent Cortese. I'm a senior sales consultant here at Sunrun. I work for the Chicago North team. People in the Midwest are super excited about solar. They've been seeing it grow on both coasts, and I think they feel like they've been missing out, and they're glad to finally be at the party. Solar's a no-brainer not just in Chicago, but the entire planet. Obviously, we're cutting down on carbon emissions and we're reducing pollution and toxic fumes that some of these power plants give off. But more importantly, it gives us energy independence. It allows us to be responsible for our own power, and we're no longer dependent on the local utility here to produce and deliver electricity to us. We can do it right on our roofs and on our properties, and I can't see any reason why you wouldn't want to do that.